What's up, everyone? With my channel, I am DJ, aka Token Black Guy. And if for the first time, hit that like button, subscribe button. So, I really enjoy fan made short film stuff, and I want to get more into that in this channel. So, I'm gonna start into this little series. Call it, I'm gonna start reacting to some short films on this channel, and we'll probably post one every Saturday or Sunday. We'll call it Short Film Saturdays or Sunday, whatever day I start to decide to post it. But this will be the first one we do. It's a horror one, so I figure not quite October yet, but we'll get into the Halloween spirit coming up. Start getting some horror short film stuff, which I enjoy. This one's from the Ultra channel. I've seen some stuff from their channel that pretty good stuff. But this one's called The Sound. Horror short film The Sound from the Ultra channel. But haven't seen this one yet. Let's get into it and check it out. I love a good horror movie. So these short films, and there's some really good creators on YouTube that put out some good stuff. So go over to their channel, make sure you subscribe and everything. But without further ado, this is the first video in a new series titled Short Film Saturday or Sunday, whatever y'all posted. So yeah, here we go.
This is why I couldn't say it.
Oh shit.
This is why I
Good job,
hesitated. You didn't believe me when I did.
Something I need to start doing more. Get rid of this freaking
Maybe I was
dad bar
obligated.
fighting off.
It's everything that we've been saying.
This ain't helping. Oh, you're running a little too hard, girl. No, want to slow it down. Ooh. It hurt my ears. Yeah, I feel you. So you can get this part of that 3M settlement from the military. Oh, is she bleeding out her ear? That's from her nose. Oh my god. She got 2 years later.
I wish you had seen her face.
Oh, so I guess you're right.
I swear that she was going to pass out right there in the restaurant. She started to turn green.
Oh, she went deaf.
Of course.
She went deaf from that? I wish I could learn sign language.
I'm going to miss you too.
My son's
Glad we're
aunt,
doing
she
this.
knows
I
sign
feel like
language.
I never see
She's
you
a
even
speech
though we're in the same
pathologist.
city. How are you?
Oh, the gamer. Okay. Little cutie.
It's amazing.
I like her even more.
No, I'm going to be in Thailand by then. But
Thailand.
please, pictures. Lots of them.
Girlfriend? Oh, it's here.
Or something. You heard
What?
something. Like you heard something.
Oh, like the sound. Ooh.
But the doctor said that you couldn't.
So was she deaf before, or did that sound cause her to lose her hearing once you started bleeding?
Okay, so you didn't hear shit.
She was cute until she started smoking. Oh, there we go. I wonder if she always had nosebleeds. It's kind of a... What's happening? Ooh. Ooh, a spider sense kicked in. I don't know if it's messing y'all ears up with my headphones, but that high pitched noise is, yeah, my eyes watering. She don't hear anything. She gonna hear it? She kind of looks like Mila Kunis a little bit, doesn't she? From that 70s show. What happened? Everything got quiet. Uh-oh, what's happening? Ooh. Oh, she about to lose lose it too? Got tuberculosis. Better put that cigarette down. What the hell? Ew, that didn't sound right. Did a bird just dive? I'm sorry, if I just coughed up blood, I'm not caring about some damn bird. What is happening right now? She is cute, I ain't gonna lie. What is happening? That's her friend, right? Oh, is it aliens? I bet it's aliens. I bet you it's aliens. Ooh, they got me just now.
What's wrong? I wasn't.
Oh, what? It's gotta be aliens. It's aliens. I bet you it's aliens. I bet you it's aliens. Holy shit, it's heavy. I'm sorry, it's just like she didn't grab a knife. There's multiple knives in that knife block. Oh, it's got me on the edge. Suspense is killing me. What are you gonna do? You come here. Call 911. Oh my God, was not expecting that. What the hell? Oh my God. And you just leave me on a cliffhanger like that? Holy shit. Eisen. I was not expecting that. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good way to kick off this new little series I'm doing on my channel. That was good. I tell you, people make some really good stuff on this channel. That was, and it was only 6 minutes long, and that had me with freaking my we call it goosebumps and stuff and everything. That was a good one. That was a good one. Oh man, I did not expect her head to blow up. I was not expecting that. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe button. If you want to see more of this, let me know, and I will continue the series. 'Cause I love short stuff, short films, especially horror stuff like this. But yeah, I really enjoyed this one. So this is episode 1, of this new little series I'm gonna do on my channel. Look for every weekend, Saturday, Sunday. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but to be determined. But I enjoyed this one. Make sure you go to Ultra, check out the videos over there. Is there anyone who want me to check out any short film? And not just horror, it can be short sci-fi, anything that thinks is a good fan made or short film. We'll do it on this channel. But yeah, till then, guys, y'all have a good one. Hit the like button, subscribe button. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.